Hello there. I am Lori Ruff and I am coming to you from Midwest Energy and Communications. Today we are once again talking with our CEO, Mr. Terry Rubentaler. The topic that we're going to talk about today is a program that's being rolled out starting in 2026 by the state of Michigan. That is our Energy Waste Reduction Program, or EWR. Good morning, Terry.
Well, thank you for having me today.
So Terry, can you tell us exactly what the Energy Waste Reduction Program is?
So Energy Waste Reduction is a rebate program that was invented by the state of Michigan under the Clean Energy and Jobs Act. And the goal is to reduce the energy waste that people have and lower the demand on the grid so that the grid is more stable and better able to handle what's coming in the future.
And who is eligible for EWR?
So because it's an energy waste reduction, it's only electric customers that are eligible for the program. And it's only electric customers in Michigan. So our folks who live in Indiana or Ohio, they don't pay for it and they're not eligible for the rebates. So just electric customers in Michigan are eligible for the program.
And what exactly is all included in the program?
Well, there's quite a few things. There's air conditioning programs. Maybe the most popular one would be a thermostat. There's a $50 rebate for thermostats. There's heat pumps, a variety of things that you could use to make your home more efficient. And then we would give you an incentive, a rebate, to install those pieces of equipment that are more efficient.
So besides rebates, is there anything else that's included in the program?
Well, it is all rebates, but we do make it convenient for you by having a link to the Amazon storefront where you can go and you know for sure that these are pre-approved items that you can purchase, and then you still have to apply for the rebate, but then you know for sure that it is qualified. It's one of the things we've already pre-approved.
So what isn't included in the program then?
Well, surprisingly, light bulbs. We had a program previously that gave you light bulbs. That is not included in the program. And the other thing that's probably the most prevalent is water heaters. So no light bulbs, no water heaters in the program. It's all about appliances and larger items to make your home more efficient.
Where's the money coming from to fund this program?
So the money is actually from the customers. Here's a line on your bill that is the funding for this program. So we take that, we charge a surcharge on your bill, we put that money in a big bucket, and then those who ask for rebates, they get their money out of the bucket. So if you don't use the program, if you're not taking advantage of it, your money will go to someone else.
So Terry, does someone have the option to opt in or opt out of the program?
Well, Lori, I'm sorry to say that they do not have the option. It is mandated by the state of Michigan that we collect this money from all customers, all electric customers again in Michigan, and it is not available for opt-in or opt-out. So everyone will participate in paying for it. Hopefully everyone participates in taking advantage of the program.
So how much can a Michigan customer expect to pay for this?
Well, it does depend on what rate class you're in. But for most residential customers, it's a little over $2 per month that you would have to pay into the program. But it is based on how much you use. A residential customer is based on how much you use. A commercial customer is a flat rate. So it doesn't matter which one you're in, but most customers are going to pay a little over $2 a month.
Terry, as always, you've given us a lot of information. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Well, in conclusion, I'd just like to say I encourage everyone to go on our website, take a look at the programs, and take advantage of the program. You're participating, you're contributing to the money that's available, and there's some big rebates available. I mean, if you want to put in a new heat pump, there could be over $2,000 available. There's things if you want to do an AC tune-up, there's money available. There's lots of good ways, and at MEC, we want to help people figure out a way to conserve energy.
Thank you for joining us today, Terry.
Lori, thank you for having me today. I love talking about energy savings.